days ago, this cauliflower was white and beautiful, and now it seems to be turning brown. I also noticed a few days ago that looked like it was time to cover with the leaves and tie it around, and I did not do that. I wasn't sure, since it's kind of a small head, if it really was ready, but clearly it was. I did notice some purple tinge. I hope you can see that, and that's okay. That's actually a very nutritious thing. But above that, I now have a bit of brown tinge. I don't know if this is going to grow more, but since the head is not as tight also now, and you have separation of the different parts, it really is time to harvest. So this one has met its harvest stage. Aha! I just read that I should have been blanching, which is covering, after it reached about 2 to 3 inches in diameter to protect it from the sun. So it is now definitely time for harvest. Many people think that the edible part of cauliflower is the head, but the leaves provide a lot of nutrition as well. And what I do with the leaves often, you can certainly eat them right away, or I also dehydrate them. And you can dehydrate a lot of leaves into a very small container that you can keep in the pantry, no refrigeration or freezing needed, and add that powder, for example, or flakes to whatever you're doing, whether it be frosty or soups or a meatloaf that you want to sneak veggies into if your family doesn't love veggies, etc. I'm just going to harvest this by cutting it at the stalk, which is blocked by leaves right now. There we go. Here's the main stalk. And I'm just going to cut it away, and then I can reuse the soil after re-nourishing it for my next crop. Actually sliced a little bit, and then it snapped off with a nice crunch. So here is, didn't do a lot of cauliflower this year, only did white, but I can do more now.